Make it louder.
Say no more, fam.
Greetings viewers and welcome back to another very fried video. Today we're going to be installing a FVD Braunbacher M&M Cat Bypass X-Pipe on my 996 C4S. This is not supposed to be a tutorial or a DIY video, a how-to, none of that. We do cover a little bit maybe of what to look out for in terms of corrosion, bolt size here and there. Those might get mentioned, but this is strictly for entertainment purposes, or you could use it as a reference point if you're doing any type of exhaust work on your 996. So enjoy. Jackie, exactly how many of these have you done?
0.
How do you feel about it? Confident?
Confident. At the end of the day, it's just an exhaust pipe. Dude, the hardware definitely looks a little questionable, bro.
Yes.
Alright, yeah, it doesn't look terrible. Nah, it doesn't look terrible at all. I mean,
taking off the old stuff I think is going to be a bit challenging, but so I believe we have to disconnect that, these clamps, that clamp.
let's start with the brakes first.
Great plan-wise one.
Damn, this shit don't even look like a bolt anymore, dude. This probably just holds it to the brace. You see? This butt clamp still needs to be used. What size are they supposed to be? Yeah, 13s. Probably gonna need some sort of heat.
Hey!
That's one. That side looks fine.
Look at that.
Why?
It's spinning on the back?
Yeah, which means we can replace it.
Okay,
like we
good.
can replace that.
So far, one broken bolt, and that is at the flange between the X-pipe, the cat, and the header on the driver's side.
Just break them.
2 broken bolts now. 3 bolts broken. 4 bolts. 5.
I assume these are the O2 sensors.
Mm-hmm. So it's a couple days later, and what would this video be without some driving shots? It's nice and early on the Saturday morning. I'm gonna go drive the car around and get some shots of what the exhaust sounds like, particularly under load, because you can only get so much out of a sound note when the car is parked. It's gonna sound a bit different when it's under load. Let's do that. Gonna do a quick pull in second gear. Sounds like cruising at 60 miles an hour, about 2,700, 2,800 RPM. Honestly, no drone. You could barely tell there was a difference between the stock one and this one. And obviously when I drop a gear and open it up, you can really start to hear the exhaust. For context purposes, I do also have the resonator delete on the intake with a silicone hose in place of it. That definitely adds some more cabin noise as well, but yeah, overall great exhaust modification. Also, so far, no check engine light. Now granted, with my luck, it'll probably pop up at some point on this drive, but let's hope not.